children, today we will start with the second type of advertisements. Second, I am saying because the first type, that is classified advertisements, we have already done in three different videos, and today we are going to start with the second type of advertisement, which is also called as display advertisements or commercial advertisements. Why commercial? Because it is specially for business purpose. So let us start this type of advertisement. So first we need to know main characteristics of this type of advertisement. See, this advertisement is designed for commercial purposes, so we need to keep thing in our mind that it is only for commercial purposes. And then because it is for commercial purposes, so we need to make it more attractive also, and for that reason we are given more space than the classified ad, because classified ad we were writing in very limited space in a box. No doubt it is also to be written in a box only, but we are given more space. Say full page, one full page can also be used for the display advertisement. More space is there, and it is more expensive also in terms of advertising cost. So we need to take care while framing it. It should be very much attractive. We can make it attractive by varying the font size or by using different type of shapes while presenting our data. And then the language, yes, we need to be very careful about it. The language should be really very colorful, attractive, lucid. Catchy slogans can be used. Yes, we can also use some punchlines, some witty expressions, and pictures or sketches can be used to make the message more clear, more expressive. And last, we need to see that there should be proportionate spacing between the matter which is being presented. Means it should not be congested just like classified advertisement. Means things should be given proper spacing. Means just like we did in poster. Means things should be spaced means proportionately, so that they become visible from a distance even, and they don't create means that much verbose expression. No doubt we have to write a lot because we have to present all the qualities of our product, but if we after writing a lot of matter, even if we present it with proper spacing, then it doesn't look that much heavy, it doesn't look that much verbose. So for that reason, we need to take care of the spacing and the arrangement of the words. Next are the essential details which we need to take care. In the beginning of this type of advertisement, that is display advertisement, we need to write the name or the company, or the name of the company or institute or organizers, those who are displaying that advertisement. Then definitely we need to give the details regarding the product. First the company, institute or organizer's name, and then we need to tell about the product, or if it is some event, we need to tell the details of that event also. And if it is about some educational courses or something, then we need to give the details of those courses, because advertisement, this type of advertisement especially, it can be for some product, it can be for some event, and it can be for some educational courses like admission notices. We make them in the form of display advertisements also. Next important point we need to take care is that we need to clearly mention some special offers. If some discount is there, we need to mention. If something is free along with that, or if there is something like first come first serve basis or something, we need to tell that very clearly in order to make it attractive also, and in order to make it more fruitful also. Because we always advertise because we want results. So if we want results, we need to allure our onlooker, whosoever is reading our advertisement, whosoever our advertisement is serving to, those people, they should get attractive, they should really get allured. So we need to highlight some offers if they are there. And in the end of this type of advertisement, we need to write the address of the that company or institute or the organizers. We know it because we have done a lot of practice, and we have done rules also about the classified advertisements. So we know that the special feature of an advertisement is that in the beginning we have to tell, in the just start we have to tell the category, means we need to tell the title, that what that particular advertisement is all about, and in the ending we need to give the full contact address. So these two features we know. And third feature of any type of advertisement is that it should be put in a box. Rest of the things which are little bit different from classified, I have told you that you have to tell the whole detail of the product or event or the educational course, and then you definitely need to mention some of the offers if they are there. Let's have a look at one example, because I have told you the essential points. I have told you the format is just like an advertisement, that you are giving in the beginning you are giving one heading, because from the size only it becomes clear. When you cover whole page, it becomes clear that you are writing advertisement which is display kind. And in the beginning you have to give the heading, and in the ending you are giving contact address, and you are putting it in a box. So this is the basic format which you need to take care, and that you know through the classified advertisements also. So let us do this example. Main features of this advertisement I have already discussed. Let us see rest of the things through this example. Messrs. Bright Vision have produced a new television named Home Theatre. Draft an advertisement for a local daily to promote the sale of the television. Offer a Kodak camera free along with the television to those who buy it before March 30. So we have come to know that there is one television, and along with there is one offer that we can gift some camera also, and if it is, but it is for limited period. So how we have to present this, we need to plan and see how it is done in this example. Watch and click offer. See, watch is for television and click is for camera. So catchy phrase I have made. Watch and click offer free means we need to show something free, then it immediately attract the eye or the attention of the onlooker. Free. A click and shoot camera. When you buy, see, I have made somewhere my font bigger, capital, somewhere it is small, somewhere you will find it bold. So this way we have to create variation. This way we have to create some effects so that it looks beautiful, because after all it is an advertisement and you're not allowed to use colors or something to make it attractive. So font and your presentation, only these two things are there that you can make it attractive. So this way you can use different shapes, like somewhere I have used some rectangle or something, you can use some star. So you can use some different shapes in order to make it attractive, but you can't use different colors. You either write it with pen or with pencil, but you can't use colors. So you have to create effects like this only. So it is watch and click offer free, a click and shoot camera when you buy Home Theatre. So this is my main product, so I have made it bold. Now I am giving the features of it, that 31 inches flat screen hi-fi sound system, competitive price. So I have told all the features, but hurry, now I am telling because it is carrying some offer also, which is for limited time period. But hurry, this is a limited offer. Open up to 30 March. So I have told everything which I wanted to tell, and now for me it is necessary to give the contact address here. So if someone finds it interesting and wants to contact, they should have that information at the end of this advertisement. So I am giving that: contact your nearest dealer today, Bright Vision Televisions, the promise of a happy home. So this way we can allure our buyers, this way if we present it. So it can cover half of your page of your register, it can cover full page. So depends upon the matter you have got, depends upon your presentation, but it can't be that small like classified advertisements. So I hope it is clear. This is the display advertisement. Now I am giving you one practice assignment. There are only two questions which I am giving you. You do it and we can discuss these two questions in the next class. You just I'm going to read this statement for you, and if you find anything under doubt, if you find something somewhere confusion, you can definitely contact me and you can ask me. So let us read this practice assignment. Draft a display advertisement to promote the sale of Ajanta steel tubes and pipes. Now run your brain, means run your all imagination in this field, that you have to promote the sales of tubes and pipes. Now think about it, their durability, their presentation, they are rustless, something like this, and you just present the information. You can invent some offer also, because there is nothing given in the statement. So you can invent many details from your side. So you can, because you have to complete that 50-word limit also. For that reason, you can invent some offers, something in presentation, some catchy phrases, and frame it. And the second advertisement in the assignment is National Rail Museum and Railway Women Welfare Central Organization are organizing an exhibition on Nehru and railways and an on the spot drawing and painting competition for Bal Divas, as the Indian Railways completes 150 years of glorious service. Draft a display advertisement for publication in a newspaper. So here in this statement a lot of information is given, but a lot more you have to devise on your own. Let's see where you reach and how much you can devise on your own. Do it and we can discuss it no doubt in the next class. Till then, good day, take care of yourself.